Ano, I'm being recorded.
Okay po. Okay,
They're
mabilis.
gonna be sending me to the police.
No!
No!
Okay po. Mabilisan lang po muli natin pag-uusapan yung salitang tinuturingan ng pang-abay po, okay? So, tingnan natin yung mga halimbawa po dito. Again, ang pang-abay ay mga salita na naglalarawan o nagbibigay turing sa pandiwa. Okay, sa pandiwa. Pang-uri. This one is pandiwa. Verb, pang-uri, adjectives, and then sa kapwa, pang-abay, or the other adverbs. Okay, so adverbs are the words that describes or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. So we have three examples here.
Like,
Okay po.
wait, can I try? Can I try? Can I try? Please. Is it please?
What are you going to try here?
My, my, my mom, my friend stomped heavily wait, my friend stomped heavily while he was going to his room.
Mm-hmm. Can you do that? Can you do that in Tagalog po? Make it, gumawa po kayo ng halimbawa na Tagalog.
Ang aking kaibigan ay na-stomp ang feet na heavily sa
Okay,
room.
nadaganan niya po yung paa ng kaibigan mo. Is that it? Okay, make it English so I could translate. So I could translate it. What is your English example?
Okay.
Let's do this.
My friend stomped heavily when he was going to his room. Not true.
He what?
My friend stomped heavily while he was going to his room. Heavily.
Heavily. Is why is it like
I
it's
know,
going?
just like it. Uh,
Think of another example.
my friend quickly ran to me while he quick. My friend quickly ran from the it in tag.
Mm-hmm. So, mabilis pong tumakbo ang iyong kaibigan. Is that it? So, ano po yung verb, ay, adverb mo po doon?
Quickly.
Okay, mabilis. Okay, mabilis. Mabilis tumakbo ang aking kaibigan sa laroong taya-tayaan. So, it's tag, your it. Okay, taya-tayaan. Okay? So, ma- mabilis. Mabilis tumakbo. So, what is that? Nagbibigay turing sa pandiwa? Is it pandiwa, pang-uri, or kapwa pang-abay? Mabilis tumakbo. So, mabilis is your adverb or yung pang-abay. Ano naman po yung salitang nagbibigay turing po sa ating pang-abay? Did you understand what I've said?
Something that modified.
Yeah, that modifies the adverb. Mabilis tumakbo. He quickly ran in the game tag your it. So, if quickly is your pang-abay or yung iyong adverb, how about your verb, adjective, or the other adverbs? That is tumakbo. So, tumakbo is pandiwa. So, pandiwa in English, that is verb. Okay? So, Mahalaga ang pang-abay sapagkat lalo pa nitong napapatingkad ang paglalarawan o pagbibigay turing sa pandiwa, pang-uri at kapwa pang-abay. Or in English, it says here that you need to. Okay, remind yourself that adverbs are very important because they enhance, okay? Enhance, okay, tingkad. So the description in a sentence. Okay. Okay, so we already done with 1 and 2. So now let's proceed with 3, or ating ikatlong numero. Pakibasa po.
Okay, maraming mayayaman na handang tumulong.
Okay po. So maraming mayayaman na handang tumulong.
Handang?
Ano po?
Handang?
Handang? Okay, so maraming mayayaman na handang tumulong. It's like many. So mayayaman is rich, right? So in other words, many wealthy or rich people are willing to help. So what describes the wealthy people, like the number of a wealthy people willing to help, showing that is not just one or what? Okay, maraming. So that is many. Okay po, maraming. Okay, ano po yung marami? So okay, ano po yung ating salitang binibigyang turing sa maraming?
The dream I wanted.
That is the mayayaman or the rich
But
people.
I don't know if that's a sin or not. May continue.
Okay po. So, ang salitang maraming ay ang naglalarawan ng dami. Okay, dami ng mga mayayaman na handang tumulong. So, ipinapakita po yung hindi lamang iisa o iilan ang gustong tumulong. Ang tinutukoy po dun sa marami or yung many is the wealthy people or the rich people who are willing to help. Okay? So, ang mayayaman po ay yung pangalan na tumutukoy sa mga taong may kayamanan. Okay, very good. Number 4 po, pakibasa.
Tunay na padalsalin ang mga Pilipino.
Okay, tunay na madasalin ang mga Pilipino.
Tunay?
Okay? So, tunay. Tunay na. Ano po yung salitang binibigyan turing? So, in English, it's tunay na madasalin, um, like the Filipinos are truly prayful, just like that, madasalin. No, devout, devoutness, showing your deep sense of faith in God and Jesus, Lord God, just like that.
Does tunay mean tuna?
What? No. Tunay, tunay is real, okay? Truly, truly. So it's tunay na. Okay? Tunay na. Okay, so yung tunay na, okay po, yung tunay na, yun po yung nagbibigay diin sa pagiging madasalin, okay, madasalin ng mga Pilipino. So, nagpapakita ng pagkakaroon ng malalim na pananampalataya or their faith. Okay, their fate. So that's why they are madasalin. Okay, so what is the salitang binibigyang turing? You're counting again. Is it 23 minutes? Is it 23? No.
Oh, the turn it.
We're going to finish at 6:40. So if it is already 6:27, my God, my voice changed.
It's almost time.
No, don't stress me out on the time, please. Let's focus here. Focus po tayo dito. Porket Filipino po ha. Porket hirap ka po sa Filipino ha. Tawa ka ng tawa dyan. Hindi mo pa po sinasagot. Kung ano po yung salitang binibigyan turing ng tunay na or truly?
Julie, I
Mm.
thought because actibong is kind of sound like active.
Yeah,
And-
active. Tunay na. Totoo. Okay?
like-
Totoong madasalin ang mga Pilipino.
Other words sound like the other American words, English words. But I thought tunay was tuna.
No, it's not fish. Okay, just go back with the class. Go back. Focus, focus. Focus, focus. Okay, totoo po na may dasali ng mga Pilipino and then you've answered tunay na or the truly. So, ano po yung tunay sa kanila sa ating mga Pilipino? Tayo na Pilipino. Ano po yung tunay?
Salin.
Na madasalin. Or they're prayful, okay? Madasalin. Okay, that's correct. Now it's not 21 minutes, it's 11.
Well, we're at 6:40.
21 minus 40. 40 minus 29.
1.
It should be 11, not 21. Chatting. Shh. Shh. Okay, number 5. Proceed with number 5. Ikalimang bilang po. Pakibasa. Okay. Masamang
Magdamot. What's magdamot?
you're selfish. You don't want to share with others.
That's me. That's me when I eat McDo.
You, what?
That's me when I eat McDo.
Okay, so masamang, read first, then I will try to translate it in English.
Masamang magdamot kung ikaw ay nakaririwasan naman sa buhay. Masamang.
So, yeah, in English, it is bad to be selfish if you are a well off in life. Okay, like it is bad to be selfish if you are well off or if you are not rich, it's just that you have money. Like if you can live in a comfortable way. So if you are selfish, that is bad. So masamang magdamot.
That's
So
kind of the story of Christmas where a person was full of greed and had no love, but after the 3 spirits, he became. What's a Filipino of love? I mean, what's the rhyming of love?
Pagmamahal, mahal.
There once was a greedy man that had no love and was so greedy he even bluffed.
Okay, so masamang what?
Masamang magdamot.
Magdamot, masamang magdamot. Okay, so yung salitang binibigyan turing po is yung salitang magdamot. Okay po, i-explain ko lang po sa iyo. So, yung salitang masama or bad, it describes or it naglalarawan po ito ng isang hindi kaaya-aya or it is a bad traits, okay? Yung pagiging selfish or yung pagiging madamot. So, hindi angkop kung ikaw ay may kaya sa buhay, if you can buy things like that or or you're doing something that you can be comfortable with, so that is very bad. Okay, so ang salitang magdamot or selfish, it is a pandiwa, or in Tagalog po ang pandiwa o kilos ay, what is the English of pandiwa o kilos?
Pandiwa.
Action.
Action.
It's verb, right?
Verb.
Mhm.
Adverb.
Adverb is pang-abay. Then pandiwa. Okay. Just magdamot is a verb describing an action that will occur in the future. Occur in the future. Um, Adjective. Okay, adjective. It describes the action as inappropriate. So, magdamot is adjective. Okay po? That's why I'm getting confused and all because you're counting the time.
I was like, how much time we have?
You're making me, okay, what is it? What is it? I'm getting nervous. Don't do that. Okay. Can you try to answer this? Kaya niyo po ba sagutan to? Yung magsanay pa. So, batay sa binasang kwento or the one that you've read, pero I was asking you a while ago, di ba po, kung may nabasa po kayong story and you said no. So, let's just say that you've read the story or you have something on your mind that, okay, that will be appropriate to have an adverb or appropriate adverb in this, okay, in this blank. Okay? Blank sentences. So, nag-iisip na, okay, nag-iisip na or nag-iisip ng blank ang Pangulo. Stop counting. Okay. So, the president, or in English, okay, so nag-iisip na or ng blank ang, nag-iisip na or ng blank ang Pangulo, or Pangulo is the president, right? So, in English, it's the president thinks, ano po,
President.
you try to think of a word or yung salita po na mapupunan po yung blanco po dito. Punan po yung angkop na pangungusap po dito. Nag-iisip na or ng blank ang Pangulo. I know it's hard for you to understand Tagalog, pero try nyo po pa rin.
He think what?
Like, kunwari, he needs to think of his decision. What does he need to do? Just something like that.
Oh,
So,
tumutulong ang tao.
ano po?
Tulong ang tao.
Nag-iisip ng tulungan ang Pangulo?
Tao. Tumutulong ang tao. Help people.
No, 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 no. Nag-iisip, it's just about the president. So if he needs to do something or needs to think of something that will help the other person or the bayan or the taong bayan, what should he do? He needs to think recklessly? What?
Need to think smart.
Think smart. So nag-iisip ng he needs to think smart. Other words that you can think of related to like he need to think smart. He need to think what? So the president thinks
He needs to think. He needs to think. What do you call it?
like carefully, right? So the president thinks carefully.
Think carefully.
Yeah, so nag-iisip po siya ng mabuti or may pag-iingat po yung kanyang mga desisyon. So nag-iisip ng mabuti ang Pangulo. So mabuti is yung ating adverb. Okay, how about number 2? Last na po. Sige na, last na. Blank, tumulong ang Pangulo sa mga... Tumulong ang Pangulo sa mga pulube. What does the president feel after help? Yeah, help. Ano po yung nararamdaman ng president after he or she helped the poor, mga pulube?
Celebrate. Okay.
So what did or she what he or she felt okay after he or she helped the poor? What did the president felt?
Good.
Emotion. Is he happy, disgusted, sad? Hmm?
Happy.
Okay, happy. What is the Tagalog of happy?
Masaya.
Okay, masayang tumulong ang Pangulo sa mga pulube.
Happily help the poor.
Yeah, he happily helped the poor. Or he enthusiastically or enthusiastically is he he had the energy to help. Okay? So, yes,
Look.
I know it's 6:40. Okay, so I will stop. You're eager. Super eager. Okay, so for today, you've learned the difference of pang-abay or you know how to look for the pang-abay and then po yung salitang binibigyang turing. Okay, so good luck. You have a test about this one, right? Meron po kayong pagsusulit tungkol sa pang-abay at yung salitang binibigyang turing. Okay po? So, maraming salamat po, Julio, sa ating muling pagkikita. Bye-bye!
6:41.
Bye-bye na! Bye!
41.